boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga niko chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chire chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga niko chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganiri erangiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete ni gukwaya nyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyoerangane duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyoere angane bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Majumo ligerelie chinsa ni nyachi abana maroga bali tukaligalia gatano na kabere lio motienyi oi 11 umwaka bwa 2025 egene kionga chinsa nya senchira yo boikerano chani gongoro kwaro ni ototo nyaingiri no itoko bwatara na kwanta memenyerelio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makoli na nigotoko chaka kionga chinsa nya limolioka korwa chinsa mo chia meta maywa eyo gotoka ime ye county ya Nyamira stock manyamuna ya mataya mo ne yabolirwa sirwa koyania abancho baye babo babere abanya tukabagosira kobwatkana amo no kobwatanirwa ntubasukana mu biwe para asayo mo abanya tukabagosira abu no yo kabere akanya kabagosira chinga ke alengonyora obubwenia ase enyagitari eyemo na nigo omurikito Paul Kapokara anya kubagotwarigana robot rwa senchira yoboikirano
Ngoi kaga sikajure kiga kya masera metamaywa imeyengeye igaya lyo Nyambega amo na Cyrus Mogere abo bari kibarongo nane abo basiri babana babo Dominic Mogere na James Nyambega asuma basekano webara uyokorekana chinsama cheli ensune matuka make aetre
incho yongo kwana egondo no gukumya konene ekere gutuka ngaundi gasi asetina imugete kurwa ngatebyo mwana one agende asakuru kuanga mchengo njego manyitu mwana one gaga kali mchengo bone kerongo genda egasiane nguruoro lonkuirana nyora bamba muntu kumburiga oyo mangana kiabere se nuruguru ngamata binche muna narwe toke mambitindike timangana ande apa barbo bare kogenda uchikuirigari bakaiwe bigibigi bakanyora tendere ndi yokuri obunyansi hone ende nabanya batachari yu bona bombwatu muchando monene ande nabo nkumachikolanga mbwatu muchando monene sana
igo batemere kwerera enchera nyagusira James Nyambega uyu utetea makuri na kwirwa senyagitari anyareta ko bagagusira ubugima bwae litukurigoro gento bono kyagendera ko bagakorete gurube ase eyamategega kubatikana mo Chibil chene gitari na boigo ne mirubiri migima ya matanga yaba matabega be familia yemo
akino mwana ninasemereti guchigonkonya guchimotu akini bono chie akinya anitu watu balemeri obokongwa se muchioyo munyara gutusira kaki asama bera ino
abamwarora bakwana ebaraba muraba mwabo nande bale chisale nande bone kebokeke kiabagete bonsi kero yomo na basireti omwana oyo yomo na aba muraba lie etekemeo aba muraba nene babo kaki sogwanja kweno moroje kende keyo kero muchiopi no nya gitari twatema togaunchukana na egasinya kaki mware gwanja enya sawa njiro tourira abana aba tari atobura abaira motare gwanja abaminto gaki
nigo besokire na kuboria abarayi chingenje chonsi aboigo na bali babwato moyo muya gwesokya ili kubakonya kuruberia matanga yaboiga babere
mware gwanja omo gabano ito mosikenya libo na oyo koligie kerugo kyobo gabana gogo chabuga 2027 omosike chanua ona omosike okongo mogeni nabo emusebo omuso ito nyambega mwale gwanja kakio no musigo otokongeire omokongu mono
aba banyorire obokong'u n'abana baminto nkibona nari gusaba iga buna muturuche iga itubwati kenda ase omochioyo ito n'obokong'u ekero bwasoire iburi gwakaoti nari gusaba abagambi baito korwa omugabana omoseneta omochumbe omo-MC gaki motoikange motokonya timbwati amange ng'atochanete obo nobororo bonene bwasoire ase omochi tabatari gaki motoigwe
iginko ripoti rigetasini kia uwanjete kia Getembe kurugige iga imechi nseme jiga chia masera metamaywa ewadi iga yeri goma ebunga yabe gututu wa Masabe county ne ya Nyamira inchego nguru kwa Polycarp okara
na umwanchwa omurigero bunenchira yamo yo gusira abarokigwa gusira chisemi nigo abanyakenyero gorwase kenyero kia bunyamakere nabo igo bosawa gorwase wodi ya mawa ebunge ya North Mugrango banyaka bagocha muri tukulia lero nakobeka emirobali ao yokane kebnangusira bale chisemi anamano kobwatesia abarokigwa bali bagosoma university ao bakorwa ase MH tari kwenyara gosija konyora wense munago tumanya muri kito fatikari December
buna enjira eyemo yogosira chisemi nigo abanyakenyoro korwase kenyoro kia bunyamakere na busagwa ime ye wodi ya magwawa bachiramo na gusira aborokiwa bari abagokoria buya asa matema amanene a KCSE anene asa masomo aria ye university Daniel Yanyasa no mokonyi bwo mugambi korwase sublocation ya bunyengwe 1 oyo okwerera igoro yeganga enene yogochamo na guchakia umuroberi oyoiga
abana banka baito bali Nyasaye akonyire banchiete bakabeka namo bagateba nekenyoro gito giachikiranere maega inga kibono togokora bagasorora nanga kiyaya bagateba nina yaya bana ndo torakore tigatwebekamo ondaru musi komi agere kenyoro gakoreki abana basome teri bere bayigo yes goto bona yene encouragement na abana tigabasome abana boko barasuka some byari bese sinchikoreteki abantu mbaro bagotokonya
kukwana chinga kicho mayega bogosira aborokiwa bari abagenderete amasomo abo ye university nigo umwana siasa Jeremia Migosi ore nobote bwo seneta bwa Nyamira nigo nere akwaneire igoro yobya bogosomya umwana engana ya mentwa chinguru n'abanyakenyoro abaiga
amwana yo masomo asanto Ishmael ase initiative yenge yakwaretire ase ngento onya bana baito ntokuira bana baite skulu bana baito baguchikonya kwa bakogenderera ibongo batebinga twese koira bana baite skulu ngoro story abasani kenyengima sota none kerege ntiko bunege getakeire twaja twanyara goyekora kyaba egento kerera isi
abana koreta baro borabu omugaka betweri oyore sokoro yane ntegabo mame iyare goteba iga onya gotagete ritunda riro moto igoro nora marto goikeri goikota chobeke studio ikeria kero otwe wiki nini singaki onya gotagete oragere mambia somesa watoto
omunyakerogo bw'omoroberio oyoiga omowakiri Ishmael Nyaribo nigo asegeta abanyakenyoro abwo wanjana na gusika ebinto by'abanyene eki atebire amasomo naroka arakanye obwibi anene bwetugo
chiombe uko ibuchire mechi ya ino ima amatukaya aitire meti enyange tato ne chiombe chio yomo kuiberana inumweka kera alamisi ose chuma igobona anchanga ase kenyoreke mutige gosorie iyo kuiberana chiombe etugo igegwendete koba busagwa na banyamakere ima nkimoko ibere bintu bya ino
omenyiga oyo nigo okorekana ase kenyoro kia manyumba ime ye wodi ya Magwawa ase boigo omoske Jeremia Migosi nigo amocha babunge korwase orogongo roiga rwagusi asogo sinywa kwegerera umurimi bwekemeri giechae
abantu baito gusiga igam eto tegemete kemeri giechae ni kawa aba ikoyo bari bakona bari kibese cheito ntubantu baito tobegete parliament babo chosi nyamoko babo stimogaka mbali ko inforobo nezi bese cheito chiasira asengento abarai bari tobegetari mbali kutojari amasiraito
Jeremia Migosi nigo boigo aikirana asomanyega oyomo bwebirero ase kenyoro kia matunga ime ye wodi ya Bukeira ase bunge eyo ya North Mugirango ase airachinga kecho na gukwanira obuya bwobomo bwomugusi
nabo chimoto yaiga mama atento bato mwana to ko rubo president ko kumatiani nima atento bato ko wetana naga baba tabanga matiang taisaini bari baroje nga matang taisaini ntaito batengo batei bari tabangi na babo toje to bakero nyambaro jenga matang tawo sana tuterina saamo to akire kura matang na jawanto to batara tusike Kenya
Hingo reporter Getembe koraiga se bunge ya North Mugirango ye gutoka meye county ya Nyamira Njefatigad Kisemba
Mwanjumuliri mwa musiebe wodi ya Kisi Central muske Wilfred Mwanyenye yogi niganyare koba gakobori na kugikeria amaru anyare koba gakoera na mono chinsemo chia kom muske Mwanyenye nigari kokwana iga asoma igo yamabwa matanga ime ye wodi ya Kisi Central mnago tumemori keito Wycliffe Manyara
MCA o Kisi Central Ward musike Wilfred Mwanyenye nigo arure okoboria guchasa bagambi amona barandia banyare komubwatesia gusiria amarwa ayanyare gakorokana ase ward ya Kisi Central Ward
base nduguka barandi kinyoreke kiao ate betina Father Charles naba pastor bande ya saliki amarwa abukire muru tyonya kura Nuna kwa niteko na matango uli umwanu kuru mutieni na lete teko mmochari ali mujoma na buli ikatu tuwale parasa ababa tantaniriye abangina babantu n'abasacha babantu n'abana babantu bako bamarwa torolenga kituko banganikuruke kinyureki
aya nigo ayakwanera asa matanga yo kumwenia Nyagosira Teresa Juma Kerubo asensemo ya Gekom
wale kinyugo sekebwe ko choma kikura 2027 esa ulina kwa namarwa nige ndugia tantaniriya baba kwanya naone nyaroka ya Mwanyenye umro Mwanyenye babako ererabo mu mwana kumuganda nana kunyasiba unaona tano kunyasiba lakini wono osunyunde ibwe bintu mwana ino morara kali kokora ngakora manane ngoga kolete beregabo okora ngina orulino mubi wono lyo ko mama na rumu mamia egito ko ngapwa ngagenda ochire boyo onde marata kuze nonya buhari kuze no onde rubunga sakaora nino na mara tebanga injel no makikura ama kwaro we kutunyanga mise basta munenzi murandie noni numwe mukia emete bagenda sinyombe jina terifata oyo ito engeto sedi abantu
Kuripotire Gatembenche Wycliffe
na mwancho muligererio mwasiri bwe chisemi musikechuri asimigo so gamba nikanyara kabaga kwanekia buna nigo amatemu ye class ye 12 go form 4 aywe maikabuna na KCSE nigagendera tebe yakorengana ne mirobuli ya serikali asebo igo agendera kurwege kuro egetindi ochase bali bako bwaterania amo no boibelie gosobonga inreli bwa amatemu ayo zada unari barachi kwimukirigwa egetambukiro egetindi keli chiko igo nikanyara kabaga kwanira igoro ya amatemu ari akipusea nabo yukichesea ayo nyara kabaga kwaera matuka makaitire zada buna nigaerete uya bitango binde byonsi bitale ngororo.
Every morning at exactly 7 a.m. examination containers such as this one across here are opened across the country and witnessed by all concerned parties. As Kenya transitions fully into the competency-based education, we look forward to a future where assessments are more continuous and authentic, and where such intense policing around examinations becomes less necessary because integrity is built directly into how learning and assessment take place. The 2025 KCSE examinations, now at an advanced stage, have been progressing well. More than 900,000 learners across the country are currently involved in various KCSE examination processes, demonstrating the scale and national significance of this undertaking. Early this week, on Monday, 3rd November, learners under the competency-based education system who are sitting the inaugural Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment, KJSEA, successfully completed their final grade 9 assessments. These pioneers will transition to senior school in 2026, marking a major step in the country's commitment to skills-based learning. Their progress affirms that Kenya's education reforms are well underway and gaining stability. While the overwhelming majority of the examination centers have maintained exemplary standards, including the Machakos County, 19 isolated cases of suspected malpractice have been formally recorded across Nyanza, Rift Valley, and Eastern regions that have been reported to me as at the 6th of November 2025. These incidents primarily involve the misuse of electronic devices, unauthorized materials, early exposure, and impersonation. In every instance, decisive action has been taken, which include replacement of center managers, supervisors, and invigilators, arrest and prosecution of over 22 individuals by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, seizure of mobile phones and photocopied materials, and deployment of NEC officers for direct oversight. 3 centers have received formal NEC warning letters requiring compliance reports by Monday, 12th of November 2025. The government maintains a policy of zero tolerance to malpractice and irregularity and all criminal activities. All reported breaches remain under active multi-agency investigation, and appropriate sanctions, including result cancellation and possible center deregistration, will be enforced in accordance with the NEC Act.
Mwanchwa omurigererio moroberio nyota nigo chaka se enchira beneri tukolia lero asonyara kubo gochakiwa ase chinsemo chia mumiasa ime county ya Kakamega morobolora wa amo no murai bwense musike William Samoei Ruto uyo nyaka bakwana kyabana ni mumoreberio yo orengete gosegeta abasaya na kubasira ase mirobeli yabo yabotambe murai bwense niganyaka bakwarira buna atiari iras mugostebetero mondo twarenga usobe no some tugike kerengo gete umaye kunyara kabanga ngonyorore ogosegetwa kurwase ekiganje cyo somurubuli nyota nengana boiganya kwage gosegetwa no mwasiri monne musike wikire musare mudavade na boigo mwasiri bwe byombe ebikebike omosike Wycliffe Ambesa o Paranya.
I am sure that many young people in many different counties did not even know that there was an earlier program of Nyota. Ama mnajua wengi wenu kama kulikuwa na program nyingine kama hii ilikuwa imetangulia. Because it didn't have as much profiling as we are doing here. So I instructed the minister then and the PS to sit down with the World Bank Group and redesign the project so that it covers every constituency in Kenya and every ward in Kenya, so that it is inclusive. That is number one. Number two, we also insisted that this project must cover young people, irrespective of whether they have gone to school or not gone to school. Today, what we are witnessing is that under this program, we have different categories of young people. We have young people who did not even manage to get to Standard 8. But we are giving them a chance now. We are telling them, even if you may not have completed Standard 8, even if you may not have completed Form 4, you have a chance to work with us so that we can help you acquire a skill. And
sisi kama wizara tuna mipango ya kutembea nao vijana. Hizo ziko ambazo zinaendelea. Tuone ya kwamba wana fedha ya kutosha kufanya biashara yao. Na pia wana soko ambao wanaweza kuuza vitu yao. Ndio kwa sababu wakati huu tuna ile East African Trade Fair kule Nairobi ambayo inaleta hawa vijana wote pamoja kuona ya kwamba wana mahali ambao wanaweza kuuza vitu yao wakiwa wanaendelea na hii biashara. Na pia tuna mpango kushirikiana na Council of Governors tuwe na policies za kutosha katika kila county ambayo itasaidia hao vijana kuendeleza business yao.
Kuna msanii mmoja wa kimataifa alikuwa hapo awali, alikuwa anaitwa Charlie Chaplin. Huyu msanii alitamka hivi: to be successful you need your family and your friends, but to be very successful you need your enemies and your competitor. Now our enemy is poverty. We must fight poverty. That is what we have to defeat. We must fight ignorance, ujinga, and we must fight disease. Kwa hivyo mradi huu ni njia moja ya kupigana na adui ambaye ni umaskini. Kwa hivyo sisi tunatoa shukrani kwa serikali ya taifa ya Kenya ikiongozwa na William Ruto.
Mwanjumulili abuga sokorwania obotaka ogotamanyara wega moroire na tokokorera kionga chinsenye litukeligalia lero alia ichuma na boigo tunyaraka ba togo timoka gose gukora iki rindu tunyaraka ba togosoa weekend gose sabato abasabato mbanyaka bagochakirwa na mukate no kugwetera somuruleta na mukate igo happy sabato late gose belated buna bagochibateba sedi tukolia lero ancheri ngoro kuharo ni ototo nyangiri kurensemo ya emanyererio nigo twabata na Wilson Makoli kurenza me atantu niga koro kwa Jatsen Otkevin ongeri maiga h camera Wilfred Matundura kendo twarubiri bya miaga Tembe TV kionga kya mamusi boigo otware obotuko obya
Pagaka ninjo, ninjo Tembe, ninjo Dorome, ninjo Mangana Mazi, ninjo Pagina ninjo.
Mugambi n'itogo gakimori inyanya. Mugambi n'itogo gakimori inyanya. Iyi nigere gituma no muntu sabagambi no bara baruti abakibwa abuno n'abaturize n'abantu bande no n'abaita banene. Aba tochoro tabakari gushigorari. Bakona kugamba ngana ebonera gituko okonyori ngana gwate ngana kwali kugamba kwamwe konyori ngana enkonwake. Wono ukora ati yende kwabwate ora konye yebono ya bwangu. Ayataba ya bwanga akerende karati kakangana akimwaro kwa mga chombe nchaba koletega yaya kararo rangu iguru ichombe ichebi tukosinto ite kyabeta mugambi nitogo uchimori inyanya
Magaka ninjo, ninjo remember, ninjo darome, mangana man, bangina.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati enda usialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende kensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Welcome to Timiza School, where excellence is nurtured and dreams come alive. Located along Kisii-Keroka Highway at Nyosia 1, Timiza School is now admitting learners for 2026 from playgroup to grade 9. At Timiza, your child is taught by TSC-certified teachers expertly trained in the CBC curriculum, ensuring they excel holistically. We go beyond the basics by offering French and Kenyan Sign Language, preparing learners to thrive in a globalized world. Our modern facilities are designed for comfort and excellence. Spacious, well-equipped classrooms, comfortable and secure boarding facilities, modern and clean washrooms, clean and safe water for drinking. We inspire innovation and curiosity through the state-of-the-art science and computer labs. At Timiza, talents are nurtured through a variety of co-curricular activities, including football, basketball, swimming, chess, scouts, and inspiring music programs. With adequate training equipment, our reliable and affordable transport system ensures your child's safety and convenience. Don't miss out. Interviews and admissions for 2026 are ongoing at Timiza School from playgroup to grade 9. Secure your child's place in a school where excellence and opportunity come together. Call us on today 0726 882397 or 0729 658659 for more information or to book an interview. Timiza.